Alright, here's my second video on Chick and KC. They've spent the night here now. They're out again exploring. These two are very bonded set of cats. Really nice to see that. They are eating really well, so that's a sign of just very well-adjusted cats when they eat right away. They're sharing the litter box just fine, very neat in the box. They don't seem to have experience with other cats, so one of the other cats kind of came running up in a very friendly manner to greet them, and they did a little sort of growling and not so sure about you type thing, but it's not to say that they couldn't go into a home with other cats. I think it's just going to depend. They probably prefer the home be large enough that they didn't have to be in each other's space as far as other cats with these guys. So we're just going to have to kind of play that one by ear and see how they do in group living. Right now I have just a very few cats in group living, and that is to their benefit, so they can kind of acclimate to some other cats being in the vicinity without it being really crowded. Lovely pair. I can't say it enough. I guess I'm so tickled to see them in such great shape and so well adjusted and such wonderful cats. So yeah, great view here, right? Let's see, what are you doing? What are you looking at under there, buddy? Oh, you are looking at Mr. Biz was under there. Yeah, it's all right. I know you were looking at him. I know you were looking at him. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. A lot of changes for you guys. Yeah, a lot of changes. That's good. So yes, and they're using their scratching posts. Just a wonderful, nice pair of cats.